Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of gold USD. And we saw extreme volatility, craziness in the market yesterday. As we have already discussed that there are too many events this week, so yes, craziness was expected. And today we have an FP non-firm payroll coming up. So yes, during the US session, during the NFP time, you will see some extreme volatility again. So my dear friends, please be careful. If you're a new trader, beginner, if your capital is very limited right now, then you should avoid trading during the news timing or during the US session. So please try to avoid or try to close all your positions before the news comes out. If you don't know where to find the news, then you can simply go to Google and type in Forex economic calendar, or you can simply go to forexfactory.com. This is one of the most popular websites in the world. So for the Forex traders at least. Okay, so here is our non-firm employment change. So this will bring some volatility. So please be careful with the USD pairs position. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So my dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to say something. So if you're busy right now, if you're doing something, then please watch the video later, because there are a few points, okay, that might sound a little bit complicated. Okay, so it is important that your brain is free. Okay. So first of all, I would like to take you to the daily chart. Okay. On the daily chart, you can see that overall the market is in downtrend. There is no doubt about it. The most important thing that I have observed on the chart of gold is that, see, whatever the drama is going on the chart of gold, market going up, going down, there has been sudden recovery in the market. So whatever is going on, okay, it is going on somewhere around here, this level. And what is this? On the daily chart, you can see this is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level, and as we all know, Fibonacci 50 holds a very important position. So somehow market is also trying to protect this level, and the level is 1620 1615 level. Okay, 1615 to 1620 level. But 1600 is a psychological support for the market. So in case market falls below 1600 level, if market falls below 1600 level and if the sell continues, there can be a huge selling in the market of at least 600 to 700 pips. So that can be a very good trading opportunity for positional traders, especially swing traders also. But keep in mind, market needs to break this level, and right now market is giving its best shot, best fight to protect the level here. So if market breaks it, positional traders, swing traders can avail the opportunity to make big money in the market. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart on the 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours time frame. To understand the chart better, I would like to take you to the 1 hour time frame, and I have also removed the Fibonacci drawing here. So see, this is the 1 hour chart of gold right now. Okay, you will get to see the things better here. See, already market is taking support around 1616 to 1620. We have been discussing this level for last 1 month, I guess. Okay, so we know about this level very well, and right now market is also respecting this level. See, market has already respected the level 3 times. Okay, market has already respected the level 3 times, but this level is playing a big role on the daily chart. So I think that in case market shows selling during the NFP session, market will still somehow try to respect the support. The support will try to hold the market. Okay, and in case market forms a big red candle like this, then obviously market will break it and market will head towards the psychological support of 1600 level. Keep in mind, 1600 is not a very strong support technically, but psychologically it looks like a good or important support for the market as of now. Okay, so if market comes to this level, in case market goes to 1640 1650 level also, do not consider it as a sell position. Okay, see, this level is very important for the market. Okay, so wait for the market. In case market bounces, and there's a high chance also market bouncing from this level, at least under normal circumstances. If there's no news in the market, before the news you can expect the market to bounce, but in case during the news market breaks it, still there's a chance that market will try to respect the support here. So in short, okay, do not try to take a sell position immediately once you see market breaking the support and going down. That can be very, very risky. If you see that market is breaking the support with this kind of a big red candle, then only take a sell position. Otherwise, taking a sell here can be a trap as well. But before the support level, okay, before the support level, you can see that we have another support around 1624. Okay, we have another support around 1624 level. So 1624 can be a support for day traders before the NFP. Okay, I'm repeating again, it can be a support before NFP. Okay, before NFP only, not during the NFP, because see, whenever a news comes out, okay, there is a big volatility in the market. So not all levels have the equal amount of strength to hold the market. So in this case, this is a good support. This is a good support. But is this a good support? No, this is a minor support in the market. So in case market comes out before the news, okay, when there is things are normal, okay, then you can expect the market to bounce. So 1624 is a minor support, and 1620, 1615 is a good support for the market. Okay, so it is actually the best word to describe this support is crucial support. Okay, crucial support is the best word to best term to describe 1620, 1660 level. And if market starts going up from here, okay, if market starts going up from here, especially during the LFP, okay, then 1668, 1667, okay, 1667 to 69 is the most important resistance for gold. In case if you see a market going up sharply, you can expect the market to reverse from here. If you're wondering how to understand the price reversal, do we need to wait for 1 hour or 4 hours? No. Any good price rejection at important levels, okay, you can simply jump into trade. Okay, so as already we have seen strong price rejection previously from this level, so in case market goes up and reverses, you can immediately enter, you can immediately take a sell position around 1667, 1668, 1669 level. This is the strongest resistance on the chart of gold right now, and before this strongest resistance we have 1650 to 52 as the resistance for the market here. This is also a good resistance for the market. So right now, as you can see, that market is going up. Okay, right now market is going up while shooting this video. So if the volatility of the market remains like this, if market remains like this, market conditions remain like this, then you can expect 1650 to 52 as the next resistance, and you can take a sell position if market reverses. Once market will hit the level, observe the market. If you see market reversing, market forming shooting star kind of a pattern, or any good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, you can go for a sell position. Okay, then we have many resistances on the chart. For example, we have 1645, 1637, 1640, but all these are minor resistances. Keep in mind, these are minor resistances. Okay, these are not trustworthy, especially if you're a beginner, new trader. You should avoid trading on these levels. And if you do not have much capital right now, you are in a very tight position, then also you should avoid trading on levels like this. So 1645 can be one minor level where you can expect the market to reverse, but these levels will not work during the news. Okay, these levels will not work during the news or before the news. If the market remains slow, okay, if the market remains dull, then only you can expect the market to reverse, and you can expect a profit of 30 to 35 pips only. 1640 to 45 minor resistance. Then we have 1640 to 1642. Okay, I will not consider this level. Okay, we have 1637 also, but forget about this level. So these two are the good resistances for the market. Okay, I'm repeating again, 1668, 1669, 1667. Okay, The level at the top is the strongest resistance. Then we have 1650 to 52 as a good resistance for the market. In case market goes up, shows good bullishness, then you can expect the market to reverse. If market reverses, we can take a sell position. But before the news, if market goes up sharply, then we can expect the market to reverse from the next immediate resistance of 1640 to 42. Then 1645 46 level. Keep in mind, these are not strong resistances in the market because they do not have the base, okay, like the others. And on the other hand, if market goes down, then we have 1624 25 as the next minor support. Before the news, you can expect the market to reverse, and in case of extreme volatility in the market, extreme selling in the market, 1620 to 1616 will come into the scene again as the next support for the market. Okay, in case market breaks it, then you can look for a sell position, but taking a sell position is risky. Do not jump immediately, okay, because as I've already shown you that 16 this level, okay, holds a very important position on the daily chart. So if market breaks with a big red candle, okay, then it's good enough. Okay, I will not say that you can go for a sell position at retracement because today is Friday, okay, so don't you won't get the opportunity. And 1600 is the next psychological support for the market. Sorry for making this video so long. Okay, I just wanted to explain things in a proper way. Okay, let's wait and watch how the market reacts during NFP. See, this is my lesson. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.